For the F-150 with the 5.4 liter engine, do you need a timing chain or do you need to rebuild the engine? I'm gonna be showing you if you need to rebuild the engine or you need a timing chain, and also if you're still on time to rebuild the engine. In so many cases, it's too late to rebuild it unless you want to spend so much money because you have to replace the crankshaft. So I'm gonna tell you exactly what to check first. You gotta check one thing over here first, and the crankshaft pulley. Let's see what that is. Alright, basically what I'm gonna do here is only one thing to find out if we're still on time to rebuild this engine or it's too late. I'm gonna pull out the crankshaft pulley a few times, pulling it out, pushing it in, pulling it out, pushing it in, a few times, 10 times, so maybe 15 times, as many times as I want to. I'm gonna look at the crankshaft pulley. If the crankshaft pulley comes out too much, it is too late to rebuild this engine. That is because the crankshaft inside the engine has too much play. It's playing too much because the thrust washers are too worn out, are damaged. And when the thrust washers are damaged, then the counterweights damage the main bearings. And then every component is damaged in the engine block. It is too late to rebuild this engine. Also, when the crankshaft pulley comes out too much, we're gonna hear a big clank, a loud clank, I gotta say, inside the engine. If the crankshaft pulley doesn't come out too much, it just comes out a little bit when I pull it out, then the clank inside the engine is a little bit low. It's not that loud. It's a little bit low, not that loud. So let's pull out the crankshaft pulley and see what we can see here. I'm gonna do it again. Alright, good news in this case, that's all the crankshaft pulley comes out. We're still on time to rebuild this engine if we want to. I'm pretty sure you guys saw how much the crankshaft pulley comes out. Now, Ford has a limit in the software. I don't have the software handy at this moment, but Ford has a limit how much the crankshaft pulley can come out. What they call it the end play. So hopefully this video helped you out, guys. The next time you want to rebuild one of these engines, Ford with a 5.4 liter engine, always look at this first before even doing even timing chain. Alright, independently from what I said, you still can rebuild this engine no matter what. What I mean is, if the crankshaft pulley comes out too much and the clank is too loud inside, what I mean is that if you decide to rebuild it in that condition, you will have to spend more money. That's the only thing. More money and more work. But the work is the last thing anybody can worry about. But you will have to spend more money. That's all I meant. Thanks for watching this video and stay blessed.